just found the most perfect travel backpack, and here she is. This is from a brand called Love Book, and I'm so excited about this backpack. So first of all, it is TSA approved on most flights to be a personal item. Yes, you heard me right. This could be your personal item. So I got the 40. It does also come in a 50, but the 40 is TSA approved on most flights to be a personal item. So sold right there, but also this backpack just has like so many compartments, so many different little surprises. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you why I love this backpack so much. So first of all, let's do the big pocket. And this was one of like the big selling points for me, is this pocket opens up all the way like this, and this could almost be like a little suitcase. So yeah, it has this thing here, so if you want to put clothes. It also comes with 3 extra bags, so whether you want to put shoes, makeup, toiletries, and then it has this little pocket here, so if you want to put any other toiletries and make sure they don't like spill or anything. It has another mesh pocket here. Then in the back, which I'm also really excited about, it has another huge pocket that you can open up all the way, and you can put your laptop in here. So this is padded, so I put my laptop in here, whatever else in here, and then on the back, of course, another pocket. And it even has this guy so you can put it over your luggage. And then on the front, we have yet again another pocket. So this guy opens up, and it even has the little holder so you can put your keys, and then another little front pocket. So literally this bag has so much space. I love it so much. Also, it comes in a ton of different colors. I just really loved the white and the cream, but there are so many other colors. And normally this bag is $60, but right now it's on sale for under $40, which is insane for an amazing backpack like this. So not sure how long the sale is gonna last, so you should get it now, but I'm so excited to travel with this. This backpack is amazing. I just love it so much.